Good morning everybody. I am Jaideep Mundra from TRANSPET India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. We also make can seaming machines. In this video, I am demonstrating two machines. This is semi-auto can rotating iron body machine and SS body machine. We are showing the trial video of these machines. In this, we are sealing the 750 ml can. As you can see in this machine, the can is rotating. We fill the can with water and there is no leakage. I am pressing the can and there is no leakage. The machine comes with powder coating. The sealing parts are all chrome plated. Plastic cap has been applied on the can. This is the SS body machine. We are taking trials of the 430 ml screw type can. This is also can rotating machine. Can is sealed properly and there is no leakage. Screw type cap is applied properly. Both machines comes with 1 year warranty motor, branded motor. This is the SS body machine and this is the MS body machine with powder coating. We make all these PET cans in various sizes, starting from 50 ml and it goes up till 2000 ml. We have various shapes. We make cans for beverage also. Thank you.